I'm an IT specialist, so that keeps me pretty busy, even though I'd like to spend a lot of my time in the kitchen, creating and trying out new recipes. Can I fix a computer? Absolutely. Can I fix dinner? Define dinner.
Rob's the best. He's a terrible cook. I love him so much.
Rob tried to make me pancakes in a pot.
He tries so hard. Maybe he needs to try a little less.
One time, he made me macaroni and cheese, and he forgot the cheese. He forgot the cheese!
If Rob had a relationship status with food on Facebook, it would be, it's complicated.
We love Rob.
And we support all of his cooking endeavors.
Would you let him cook for your kids?
No.
Absolutely not, under any circumstances.
No.
Frankly, Rob's cooking's an embarrassment. I raised him better.
You didn't see that. So I'm having a dinner party tonight. They have this idea that I'm having...
The celebrity chef!
A celebrity chef is prepping the meal.
A true culinary artiste.
We're just happy to be out of the house.
It looks amazing.
Right on time.
Hey! This is for you. The centerpiece. Art.
Okay, guys, you see this curtain? Don't peek behind the curtain. The chef is behind there. He likes his privacy. You'll meet him later. Here we go, guys. This is eggplant confit bruschetta. This is the main course. This is a 72-hour short rib with creamy polenta and a port wine sauce.
Yeah. This is the most beautiful food that's ever been in this home.
So, the chef? Pretty good, huh?
Yeah, man, this food is amazing.
This is delicious, though. I mean, hey, slow down. It's not going
I would
anywhere.
love to hire this chef for my next opening, but I'm sure there's no way I could afford him.
Ready for dessert. This is coconut chia oatmeal with shaved chocolate and pomegranate.
It's a party in a cup.
Really fresh. I love it.
Moment of truth. You guys ready to meet him?
Yes.
I have a confession to make. There is no celebrity chef.
Wait, what?
It's me. I cook dinner.
Honey, you know I love you, but that's impossible.
Yeah, come on, man. Let's meet the real chef.
Oh, really? I ordered the dishes from Cuisine Solution, and they were delivered right to my door. The dishes were prepared by expert chefs using the sous vide cooking method and the same ingredients used in gourmet restaurants. All I had to do was heat and serve. Cooking dinner only took me about 20 minutes. That included setting the table.
Cheers to Chef Rob.
Cheese tortellini for the kids and veal ossobuco for us in under 10 minutes. Sold. I'm sorry, he had 2 glasses of wine. I know.
Sous vide.
I literally just ordered all of my dinners for next week in just a few clicks.
It's fresh, it's easy, and it's perfect for a busy schedule like mine. I can't wait for our next delivery.
If Rob can do it, I can do it. Next dinner party's at my place. As long as I can use Cuisine Solutions.